Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'll be showing you Tangerine how to close account. So without wasting any time, let's get right on the video. In order to close your Tangerine account, first step that you need to do is move your money. To do it, simply head over and log into your Tangerine account. Simply open up the app and log into your account. The next is to transfer all remaining funds to another bank by simply tapping on the move money option on the bottom. Then select transfer money. Then transfer all the remaining funds to another bank and make sure the balance is zero. The next step is to check for pending transactions. Simply cancel or wait for scheduled payments, automatic deposits, pending transfers, and your account must be fully clear. Next step is to contact Tangerine. You cannot close your account online. Simply choose one option by simply calling Tangerine Bank customer service at 1-888-826-4374, or you can use secure messaging inside the Tangerine app or website as well. Next step is to verify identity. They may ask security questions, personal info like date of birth, SIN not usually required, and step 5 is to confirm account closure. Simply ask the agent to close the account permanently and request a confirmation email or message. Then once that's done, keep records, save the confirmation, and check your account later to make sure it's fully closed. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful and see you soon on the next one.